Former Kosovo President Hasim Thaçi has pleaded not guilty to 10 counts of war crimes and crimes against humanity. He went on trial today with 3 co-defendants accused of killing nearly 100 people and other atrocities, including enforced disappearances. The allegations date from Kosovo's independence wars against Serbia in 1998 to 99, in which more than 10,000 died. Thaçi was co-founder of a group fighting for independence and is regarded as a hero in Kosovo. The Kosovo Liberation Army was set up in the early 1990s as a militant group of ethnic Albanians in what was then a province of Serbia, and during the war is alleged to have carried out attacks on the region's ethnic Serb minority. When Kosovo declared its independence in 2008, Thaçi became its first prime minister and later the president, but resigned in 2020 to face the charges in The Hague. Victims and human rights groups hope that his trial at a special court known as the Kosovo Specialist Chambers will reveal what happened to some of the thousands of people who vanished during the Kosovo conflict. According to the court's indictments, the crimes took place in more than 100 locations in Kosovo and in northern Albania, where Serb civilians were allegedly detained and mistreated or murdered. The trial began with opening statements from the prosecution. Judges will also hear from defense lawyers and a representative of Kosovo War Victims Council. Mr. Thaçi is being tried alongside the former Speaker of Kosovo's Parliament, Kardi Veseli, former KLA spokesman, Jakub Krasniqi, and former KLA commander, Recep Selimi. All 4 co-defendants, who were associates both during and after the war, deny any wrongdoing. The independence movement in Kosovo began after Serbian President Slobodan Milosevic's decision in 1989 to strip the province of its self-governing status. Tensions led to full-scale war in 1998, which only ended after a NATO air campaign against Serbia prompted its forces to leave the province. Kosovo declared its independence unilaterally in 2008 and was recognized by 99 out of 193 UN member states, but not Serbia.